Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. If you've always wanted your very own website but thought it was too complicated or expensive, stick around, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make a professional-looking Wix website for free. By the end, you'll have a fully functioning site up and running, ready for anything, your portfolio, business, blog, or passion project. And yes, you really don't have to pay a cent. Let's jump right into the most efficient way to get going, which is by using Wix's beautiful templates. Templates are a fantastic shortcut because they give you a solid starting point and even some inspiration. It's kind of like moving into a furnished apartment rather than building your own house from scratch. You get a feel for the layout and then you can rearrange everything to fit your style. Okay, the first thing you'll do is head to your Wix site dashboard. If you're brand new, don't worry. Wix makes sign up super easy. On your dashboard, look for the option to Create New Site. Click on that and you'll be prompted to choose how you want to design your website. We're going to pick the Studio Template route for this walkthrough because it's packed with modern, visually appealing options. Now, here's where the fun begins. Selecting a template. Wix has hundreds of them, organized by category, so you're not stuck scrolling forever. For example, suppose you want to make a medical-related website, maybe for a clinic, health blog, or wellness service. Just browse the medical section and look for a style that feels just right. Don't stress too much about picking the perfect template on your first try. You can always swap it out later if you change your mind. Once you've picked your template, click to load it up. Now you're inside the site editor, and this is where you can get creative. At this point, your website already has structure, headings, images, text areas, and all the bits that make a site memorable. So take your time and personalize each element. Change the headlines to reflect your brand, swap out photos for ones that represent your vibe, and update the text to speak directly to your visitors. If you want to go even further, Wix lets you tweak colors, fonts, and layouts. Maybe your medical site could use calming blues and greens, or perhaps you want bold, energetic reds. Totally up to you. Play around until things look just right. Remember, your website should feel like you, and Wix gives you tons of freedom. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're new to editing websites. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming. Just experiment and see what works. If something doesn't look perfect, it's easy to undo or try again. Think of it as customizing your social media profile, but with a bit more room to express yourself. When you're happy with everything, it's time for the big moment, publishing your website. Just hit the Publish button. Wix will ask if you want a free domain, and that's exactly what we're going for. After a few seconds, boom, your site is live. You can click Go to Live Site to see it in action. Share the link with friends, or start promoting your new online home. And there you have it. A complete, stunning Wix website that didn't cost you anything. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Got questions or want to share your new site? Drop a comment below. I love hearing what you're working on. And if you want more tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.